Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this really easy to do festive eye look. So let's begin. Before we begin with the video, I'd like to quickly mention that this video is made in collaboration with Foxy. Foxy is a beauty-focused e-commerce website both for men and women. Not only they offer amazing brands, but they also offer amazing offers on those brands as well. So definitely check out their app. The link is in the description box. And I also might have something special just for you guys. So if you guys want to know what that is and how to create this eye look, continue watching. For my eyes, I'll be using the Lakme 925 Quartet eyeshadow palette in Desert Rose. As you guys can see, I have already done my base makeup and I have prepped my eyes. As this video is mainly focused on the eye makeup, I have done the other steps beforehand. So now I'm gonna take my eyeshadow brush and I'll be picking up this shade from the palette. Focusing on the outer V of my eye, I'll be slowly applying the shade. As you guys can see, I'm not bringing it all the way in because I want it to be on the outer corner of my eyes. Next, for my eyelids, I'll be picking up this shade which is right next to the previous one. This shade will go all over the lid, but again keeping the brush more towards the outer V, blending any harsh lines between the two shades. And finally, for the inner corner of the eye, I'll be picking up this golden shade. And I'll deposit the golden shimmer on the inner corner of my eyes to make it pop, just to make the eyes a bit more open. And also I'll be taking the first shade once again and I'll be applying it on the waterline just to create that smudge effect. You can skip it if you don't want that. And then I'll go back to the golden shade once again and I'll be applying it on the brow bone just to define the brow bone and to finish the look. If you want to draw more light to your eyes, just like highlighting your brow bone, apply a little bit of any glittery shade to the inner corner of your waterline. And as no eye look is complete without a liner, today I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. The liner is really dark and it has a really fine tip for precision. The liner is smudge proof and it dries super quick, and I like my eyeliner to be sharp and dramatic. So this is the finished look. I really like the color payoff of the palette and the liner is pretty good as well. Both of these brands and other makeup brands, skincare brands, grooming brands for men, wellness brands are available on Foxy, and I do have a coupon code just for you guys. So definitely check out the description box for the details on that, and the link to the app is also mentioned in the description box. Don't miss out on it. Do check it out. That's it for today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.